Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Let us have a new exciting game based on Arduino. On the screen, you can see the components. The components required for this particular project is there are four LEDs 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have selected four LEDs of different colors. You can select LEDs of same colors depending upon your choice. So, white, blue, orange, and red or yellow. These are my four LEDs. Then four switches, push button switches, then four 220 ohm resistors, 220 ohms resistors, each of them are of 220 ohms. So four 220 ohm resistor, a buzzer, and a servo motor, and of course an Arduino Uno board. Now I have made the connections before and only because this is a bit long project. So I have already made the connections. I'll just explain you the connections. So let us focus on the switches. So start with the first switch. We will go from left to right. So we'll start with the switch. So first switch, this end of the switch, that is terminal 1B, is connected to digital pin number 2. Okay. And the other end of the switch, 2B, is connected to this LED to its cathode. You can see it here, and this both the ends are connected to ground. Now this entire rail is converted into ground as I have connected my ground of the Arduino. I'll just show you here. You can concentrate on this connection. I have connected ground of the Arduino to this rail and also to this rail. So these two rails both act as my ground. So terminal 2B and the cathode of the LED, first LED, both connected to ground. The anode of the LED, white LED, is connected to 220 ohm resistor, and through the 220 ohm resistor it is connected to digital pin number 3. So this is digital pin number 2, and anode of the LED is connected to digital pin number 3. For your convenience, as it is a white LED, I have shown it with a white wire. So this is for white LED, digital pin number 3. Now let us move to the next switch, the second switch. So the second switch, again terminal 1B, is connected to the next digital pin, that is the digital pin number 4. And in the same way, 2B terminal is connected to anode or cathode of the LED, and both are connected to ground. Anode of the LED is connected through the resistor to digital pin number 5. So this is 2, digital 2, this is 3, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So we are going in that sequence. So this will be digital pin number 6, and this will be digital pin number 7. So in this way all other pins are connected. Digital pin number 8 and digital pin number 9. So I have started with 2 and I have done till 9. I hope the connections of LED and switches are clear to you. I'll revise it again. 2B, 1B is connected to digital pin, and 2B is connected to ground. Similarly for LED, cathode is connected to ground and anode through 220 ohm resistor is connected to digital pin. So this first LED is connected to digital pin number 3. So you can see the connections from here if you want, and you can connect them accordingly. Now Let us see the other two devices. So a buzzer is an active device. It has a positive and negative. So positive end of the buzzer is connected to digital pin number 10. Okay, so positive end is on digital pin number 10. Negative end of the buzzer is connected to digital pin number 12, as you can see. So the negative end is on digital pin number 12. Okay, so this was the connection for buzzer. Now the servo motor. So when we concentrate on servo motor, there are three pins in servo motor. First one is signal, then power and ground. So power pin will be connected to 5 volts. So this entire rail is positive, that is 5 volts, which we have received from Arduino. As you can see here, this is 5 volts which is connected to this particular rail. So this is entire 5 volts, that is my voltage input. So this is my power. Second is ground. So ground pin is connected to ground. And the third one, that is the signal pin. Now signal pin is connected to digital pin number 11. So I hope all the connections are clear to you. You can see the connections and make it at your end. Okay. So here we are using various components. We have used LEDs, we have used switches, we have used resistors and buzzer and a servo motor. Now what is this game about? Now this game is about, initially the game is going to start with all the LEDs blinking, and then you are supposed to press any one switch. So the moment you press the switch, the game starts. Now once you press the switch, the LED will blink in a particular sequence, and it's a memory game. You need to remember the sequence and follow the same sequence. Now if you can follow the same sequence, it will keep on creating new sequences. Okay, but if you fail to do that, then you will see this servo motor which will move out. Now the concept of servo motor, putting a servo motor here, is that physically when you make this game, we can put a flag on this portraying game over. So if you follow or if you do a wrong sequence, you will see that the servo motor will move its arm, showing that it's game over for you. Okay. Now this particular program or this particular code is a long code, very long code. I will give you the code in the description box. You can copy it from there. I'll give you this entire code there. I will not explain you this code here in this video now. You can take this code and run it out. It runs very fine. I'll show you in the simulation. Now let us see what happens in this game. So I'm starting the game now. Okay. Now as you can see, the LEDs are turning on randomly. So this is the initial start phase of the game. Now I'm going to click any one switch, and as soon as I click the switch, the game will start itself. Okay, so I need to follow this. So I'm following the sequence. Now once the sequence gets wrong, the servo will move. Let me make a mistake. After I'm doing correctly. I'm doing correctly up till now. Okay, let's make a mistake. Now see, this indicates that my game is over. Now see, the sequence have also started now. So until I keep doing the sequence, the server will not move. But the moment I complete the if I do a false or if I do a wrong sequence, the server will move and we will get a message of game over. I hope you understood the game. It is a game of memory where you will have to remember the sequence of LEDs. Okay, so I hope you like the game. I hope you like the game and you will make the circuit at your end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.